Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Cody-Ann Barrett. It's now time for Frontline Business. Business conducted at tax offices across the island are about to change. Concerns were raised about long queues and tedious processes. According to Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, within 3 months, the changes will be reflected.
But we have plans to upgrade a number of the tax offices across the country to make them more customer friendly, to take some of the heavy activity, that is sort of repetitive, and to move them into other areas so that the ones that require more time and more customer interface have that space, to put drive-throughs in those where we have the space that we can accommodate it and so forth.
However, he says some of the changes are still in the negotiation phase.
In the next, I would say, in the next few months, or maybe next few weeks, I'll be outlining our strategic approach to that. But it's an excellent question, because that's exactly what we're doing. And we're going to be making some changes in Kingston as well by consolidating. I don't want to talk too much about it because some negotiations that are taking place now, I don't want to in any way influence those. But it's a great question, and we're working exactly on that, and you'll hear me speak about it shortly.
The unemployment rate decreased to 8.7% in October last year. Statin says 14,400 more people were employed when compared to October 2017. That increased the employed labor force to over 1.2 million persons. Among the largest increase in employment were professionals, senior officials, and technicians, with 7,800 persons, with majority being females. In the industry group, real estate, renting, and business activities had the largest change in employment, increasing by 9,700. However, transport, storage, and communication recorded a decrease. On the international scene, International Monetary Fund (IMF) Managing Director Christine Lagarde said the IMF modestly cut its global growth forecast for 2019 to 3.5% from 3.7%. Speaking at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland on Tuesday, she said the move was due to the high level of economic risk that are accelerating around the globe. These include the US-China trade war, Brexit, and China's slowing economy.
A point that the IMF made this morning in their release, lowering its global growth estimates too. Listening to Christine Lagarde.
The risk of a sharper decline in global growth has certainly increased. Add to this the uncertainty, the geopolitical worries, and disappointing long-term growth prospect, and you have an economic picture with a pretty clear message. And the message is the following. For policymakers, address remaining vulnerabilities and be ready if a serious slowdown were to materialize.
In Tuesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 416 points to close at over 370,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 60 stocks, of which 22 advanced, 31 declined, and 7 traded firm. The Junior Market Index declined by 32 points to close at 3,171. Stocks advanced for Access Financial Services, Berger Paints, Blue Power Group, Caribbean Cement, and Caribbean Cream. Stocks declined for 138 Student Living, 1834 Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, and Carreras Limited. Trading firm were CAC 2000, Siboney Group, Dolphin Cove, Jamaican Teas, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. Fontana Limited was the volume leader with over 9.5 million units, followed by Stanley Motor with over 280,000 units, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company with 284,000 units. And news in oil. Prices fell more than 2% on Tuesday on signs that an economic slowdown in China is spreading, stoking concerns about global growth and fuel demand. International Brent oil futures were down $1.49 or 2.4%, at $61.25 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures were down $1.47 or 2.7% at $52.33 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. Regional stories are up next.